Hey guys, how's this going? I just got out of work. It's 9:42. I mean, I just got home from work. I'm tired. I got this box from Locksmith Comics today, and I was thinking, man, I'll just set it on the table and I'll do the unboxing tomorrow. But I really wanted to get into it, so I wanted you guys to have the experience with me. So I got these two mystery boxes. This is Ahsoka Ratana Chase pack. And I'm so tired and in the negative. I'm like, there's no way it's in there. I knew it was in there. I'm just not feeling it. I hope it is. If it's not, I'm sure there's some great stuff in here. So we're gonna open it up, check it out. Either way, thank you to Locksmith Comics. Like I really like him. He really knows his stuff with the books. Here we go. Getting into it. Alright, number 21. It's 2021. I picked 21 and 17. Painter's tape is the best tape to do this with, no doubt. Alright, so we're starting off with the Marvel Zombies. That's cool. Cool little cover. It's clean. Oh, look what I got. Check it out. Yes. Ooh, look at this. I got a Swamp Thing annual. Nice, right? That is cool. I really like that. That's the designer, right? Or is that the ghost maker? Ghost maker or the designer? This is cool. I got Something is Killing the Children. Oh, I got this crossover McFarlane joint. That's cool. These are all really cool books. Very cool books. So I only got one more chance to get this Ahsoka. Either way, I'm happy with this. I'm very happy with this. It's cool. It's cool. Plus, I paid for it, fucking 2 months ago, so it can't really hurt me anymore. Alright. So wore out, man. This job. At least the money's there, you know. Some Shang-Chi action. Ooh. Check out this Thor. An old school Thor. I got One Punch Man! Cool. Check that out. Thor, look, I've been wanting this, and I never got it. But now I have it. Thank you. I got this. I got Warlock. An Umbrella Academy. Cool. This is a much cleaner copy than I have because mine is shit. This is the third copy of Umbrella Academy I have. That's cool though. Shit. The more, the better. No Ahsoka. It's all good though. Somebody out there got her. And I'm making the money now. I'll go out there and get her myself. So. I'm going to recap these real quick. The Warlock. The One Punch Man. This is probably the best find in the whole thing. I always wanted that, and it kept, that's a cool Thor book. Yeah, I have to look that up. I don't really know. Shang-Chi. Umbrella Academy. Spawn, crossover, Something is Killing the Children. That Swamp Thing, that's dope too. I really like that. Ghostmaker or the designer, correct me, please. Alright guys, that's it. I'm going to bed. Have a wonderful night. Take care.